next project car, your next classic car, the one you want to fix up and put on the road. Today we found a Fairlane, I think it's a 63, something like that, in a dumpster. And it's getting delivered to us, so we're waiting on it, and I can't wait to see it. Well, the dumpster arrived with the car in the back. We're going to get her out and see what she looks like. We're going to try to get it off on this roll back down here. I don't know how this is going to work, but we're going to figure it out. We're going to try to back this, or pull this down in there, back up to it with a rollback, try to get it off that way. Here goes nothing. Let's see how it turns out. Hopefully we won't crush our Fairlane. At least the top of it looks pretty good. I don't know about the rest of it.
inside it, see what else is inside the car itself. It comes out pretty clean, even though it was in a dumpster. We sure do appreciate them bringing it to us.
and I can't. This looks like the back. You can't tell if you're going frontwards or backwards in this thing with that big old windshield right there. Just a glance at it, it looks like the deck lid. Wow. There's some nice little jewels in the trunk. I'm gonna pull these out and look at them. See what we got. We started. See what all's in there and take it out and look at it. I'm sure there's some more stuff inside. Alright, we got her loaded up. We headed out. We're gonna take her to the house, check her out, look at her, decide what we want to do. Y'all hit that like, hit that subscribe.